part, we will see how to make the assemblies and the corridor, and how to compute the material. So first of all, we will make the assemblies. Go to the assemblies, create assemblies, and give the assemblies name test assembly. Then okay, take the positions, select this, and change the styles, assembly properties. Okay, okay. Now this is our assembly. Now we will make the road. So go to the basic, go to the LAN, and take the LAN super elevation COR. And here are the four parts: payment 1, payment 2, base, and sub base. You can define your everything's with the help of the properties like the width and the depth. So uh, okay. Mm, okay, now okay, now I take select this, and the left sides I will take another LAN. mm, Sorry, right. Now we go to the median. Where is the median? Okay, I take the median, and like this. Okay, and so now we will take the curve. So here's the curve. Take the general. See the side right, and change the side left. This is the left. Now you can take shoulders or anything here. So we go to the shoulder, and okay, shoulder extend on, and the side left. Okay, now change the side right, and keep here. Now we will take the daylight. So go to the daylight, take the general daylight, and take the sides right. Okay, select this, and now select this. So like way, our road assemblies has been completed. Now we will make the corridor. So go to the corridor, give the corridor name test corridor, corridor alignment design test assemblies, uh, target surface. Then okay, you can change the frequencies of this sublime rebuild. Then okay. Wow, so I solve this, why it has been created. Mm, okay, okay, yes. Okay, select this and drag at the end of this. And now once uh, we rebuild this corridor, select this corridor properties, apply, rebuild, then okay. So it has been solved, and we have created our corridor. So see the in object viewer. Okay, now yeah, You can you can see realistic. Okay, go to the next. So first of all, we will have created another surface for this road. Select this, go to the corridor properties, go to the surface, and okay, here is a create a corridor surface, top link, and go to the datum. Okay, now go to the boundaries, mm, delete, apply, rebuild, then okay. So if you move your cursors on this, you can see the surfaces of this. Now uh, we create the material because we have created the assemblies and the corridor. So go to the tool space. Uh, okay, here's the settings, and this is the quantity takeoff. So you go here, keep on your mouse on this, and create the quantity takeoff informations. Okay, now we give the name E WRK earthwork materialist. So other new material on the test surface on the test corridor. Now earthwork base and compare. Now apply, then okay. So you see the earthwork. We will take the next road material information, road mat, उसके बाद material list for because payment one payment to base and sub base. So we change the name pay 1, pay 2, base and sub base. So we have to change this structure, structure, structure and structures. Change the name corridor. Here is pay 1. Select this, add. Select this, pay 2, base, and now sub base. Apply, then okay. So earthwork and our material, road material. Now we will take, and the third part is the solder. So we take the new information, shoulder, and the material 2, curve, and barrier. We have to change this structure, structures, select curve, corridor, curve, enter, barrier. Now apply, then okay. Earthwork, road material and the shoulder. So hide this. Now we have to take the sample lines because we have to compute the material. So the sample lines, select the alignment, enter, test element 2, then okay. Now test surface, existing base and test corridor. We have to change this, finish ground, then okay. Now give the sample line name, sample line test, then okay. And here is our options. If you want to take only one section of the particular area, that time you have to select this, otherwise by the end of the stations. uh, and the right side width and the left side width you can choose according to you. At the right it starts true and the true, then okay, and enter. So you can see 360 380, it's by divided by the 20 by 20. Select the sample line, compute the material. Now before this, okay, compute the material. Okay, now material list, artwork, test surface, test corridors. Okay, compute material, test alignment. Okay, uh, if you select this, that time this is the earthing material, so import another material, road material. Okay, so we have to select pavement 1, pavement 2, base, and sub base. Okay, this is a sub base, then okay. Now third one is solder. Okay, curb, and the barrier, then okay. So oh shit. Okay, okay, now this is EARTH, earth work, and the second one is road material, and the third one is SHOULD as shoulders, then okay. Now we have compute the material. Now what will we do? Wait. Okay, section view, create multiple views. Next, take the draft. Next, 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 next. No band set. Next. So sections will be appear here. We have to take a wait. We have to take a moment for the waiting. Okay, now we have to change 100. Now select this. Okay, section view group properties, and the change volume, total volume, add, and the material, add. Okay, add the material. Okay, so this is artwork. So road material, and this is solder. So we will apply and then okay. Okay, now so it is so different. So what will you do? Select this and update group layout. Okay. Mm, yeah. So you can see the all materials volumes from station to stations. So like that we can calculate the whole material of this and the other settings. Thank you so much.